If you own a rental property, here are the tax deductions that are going to save you a lot of money. But before we dive in, quick disclaimer, I'm not a tax professional and this is not tax advice. This information is just high level overview of what I've seen in the 15 plus years owning a management company and being an investor in real estate myself. For a downloadable checklist of all the rental property tax deductions I talk about in this video, click the link in the description. The IRS will tax your rental property in 3 different ways. Number 1 is your rental income. This is the money paid to you each month by your tenants. Rental income is typically taxed as ordinary income. Number 2 is capital gains. Capital gains is the profit you make after selling an asset, like real estate. Keep in mind that long-term capital gains are often taxed at lower rates than short-term capital gains. Number 3 is depreciation recapture. This one surprises most first-time owners. Depreciation recapture is an IRS rule that requires taxpayers to pay taxes on the profit from the sale of a depreciable asset like real estate. Now today we're only going to focus on tax deductions you can take while you own the rental property. All right, there are 2 types of deductions. For rental deductions, everything falls into one of 2 categories. Cash deductions, which is money that actually leaves your bank account, and non-cash deductions, which are paper deductions you could just get for owning rental property. Both of these matter, but let's start with cash deduction. Number 1, repairs. So when you fix something that's broken in your rental, that cost is usually deductible right away. For example, fixing a leak, patching drywall, or replacing a broken appliance are all deductions you can take. So here's the distinction that matters for taxes. A repair fixes something that's broken, while an improvement adds value or extends the life of the property. Think a new roof versus a roof repair. This will change how much you can actually deduct and when. Number 2 is property management, contractors, and labor. If you pay anyone to help run your rental, it's tax deductible. That includes property managers, handyman, contractors, and cleaners. This deduction usually reduces the real cost of help by about 30 to 40% once you factor in state and federal taxes. Number 3 is mortgage interest. So if you have a mortgage on your rental, the interest portion is tax deductible. Unlike your personal home, investment properties don't have the same deduction caps. For many rental owners, this ends up being one of the largest deductions each year. For example, if you own a rental with a mortgage and you paid $18,000 in interest this year, that entire $18,000 is generally deductible against your rental income. That means the IRS only looks at what's left after that interest, not the full rent you collected. This is different from your personal home because on a primary residence, mortgage interest deductions are capped and limited. On a rental, they're treated as a business expense. For many rental owners, this is a huge deduction they claim each year, and especially in the early years of the loan when most of the payment is interest. It can be big. Up to this point, everything we've covered is money you actually spent. In a moment, I'll show you the deduction that doesn't require writing a check, and it's usually the biggest one. Drum roll, please. Number 4 is property taxes and professional fees. So property taxes on your rental are fully deductible. So are accounting and tax prep fees, legal fees, insurance. These expenses, they're often automated or bundled and makes them easy to forget, but over time they really add up. So that covers all of our cash deductions. Now let's cover your non-cash tax deduction. First up, we have depreciation. It's the single most powerful tax benefit of owning rental property. See, the IRS allows you to deduct the value of the building over time. For residential properties, that's 27.5 years, and for commercial properties, that's 39 years. But keep in mind, the land doesn't depreciate, only the structure. Many parts of the rental can also be depreciated faster. Appliances, flooring, cabinets, fencing, landscaping. That is why your rental can generate real cash flow and still show little or no taxable income on paper. It feels counterintuitive. I know, you're not alone. This is where most first-time owners get confused. We're almost done, but this last section helps tie everything together, especially if this is your first rental. Passive loss rules. When your rental shows a loss on paper, the IRS usually treats that loss as passive. That means you generally can't use it to offset your W-2 or business income right away. However, some owners do qualify to deduct part of that loss against ordinary income, usually because of their income level or how involved they are with the property. Other owners fall under more advanced rules where the losses still help, just not immediately. You don't need to master these rules, you just need to know which bucket you fall in so you can ask the right questions. So I recommend talking to your tax advisor. If you manage your rental from home, a portion of home expenses may be deductible. Also mileage to and from the property, which include airline flights. While this is often a small number, it can build up over time. Lastly, in certain situations, rental owners can pay family members for legitimate work. Now, this must be real work, documented correctly, and this is always something to discuss with your CPA first, but it's good to know about it. Rental property taxes don't have to feel intimidating. My goal is for you to understand generally how the system works so you don't overpay. Owning rental property gets easier and more profitable when you understand these rules. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe, and share it with another rental owner who's maybe just getting started. Understand the rules, own with confidence. I'm Steve Welty, CEO of Good Life Property Management, here to make owning rental property easy for you.